All right, people. Travel family, this is Alex with Blue House Travel Services. I'm here to show you guys a room tour of the MSC Seashore. Me and my family got on here ourselves for you to for we to see what we experienced, and then I can go ahead and bring this to you. So here's the bathroom. As you can see, in other situations, there's no racks. This is actually a glass shower with the door, which is pretty good. And so close this. We have a spot right here for your card to light up the room. That's how you light the room up. And this here you have storage space. Three drawers, 2 or 3 drawers. You have a safe right here. And then when you go into the other side, you have space up there. You have hangers, place to put your luggage. You have the light outlet here. Okay, so it has like a dimming situation. You have storage right there. This is the king bed. Have a big long mirror right there, big full mirror. And if you've been on any other cruise line, it's kind of the same type of setup. And then here's another third person. This is a sofa couch, and this is actually a balcony room. So this is what you'll see. Here's the balcony. Here's seats. There's a table. Here we are. As you can see, we are right here. We're actually on the 11th deck. That's what we booked. So here's space here, space here, space here. Ice, cups for water. Right here is a refrigerator with snacks and drinks. Those will be charged to your card, your Sail and Sign card, when you take them. And then here's another drawer here with a hair dryer. Here's seats. Here's a seat. So here's that. Here's some drawers. More space. There's the phone. There's the outlets. Not a lot of outlets, plugs here. But so some artwork there. So this is the room. Hope you like what you see. And there's a big screen TV as well. Like I said, I hope you like this. We look to do this for about 7 days. So we're going to really get into this and see what is going on with MSC. So hope you liked it. Please subscribe, share, and all of those things. And we'll see you in the next video. This is Blue House Travels signing off. Take care and God bless.